Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome. Kali ini kita akan membahas sebuah film yang berjudul Bright. Film ini dirilis tahun 2017 dan dibintangi oleh Will Smith. Dan kali ini Will Smith berperan sebagai polisi yang bernama Daryl Ward. Film ini bercerita tentang kisah seorang polisi manusia yang bekerja sama dengan polisi orc untuk menemukan tongkat sihir. So, teman-teman, kita langsung saja putar filmnya. Di awal film kita diperlihatkan seorang polisi yang ditembak di pinggir jalan di sebuah keramaian.
Green sauce.
Polisi tersebut adalah Daryl Ward.
You told me that you killed it.
Alright.
Man, standing right in front of me, go kill that fairy, please. Thank you so much.
Orc that's now in the LAPD force.
I am the city. Alright.
Di film ini, manusia hidup berdampingan dengan makhluk mitos seperti orc dan elf.
Ring the bell, y'all. Look at this nigga, man. That's it right there. Oh, you got it now.
Keep doing all your gangster stuff. I'm just trying to sell my house.
Hey, partner. You ready to get back to work?
Dan ini Jacoby, partner Ward yang merupakan orc pertama yang menjadi polisi.
All healed up. What the hell are you doing at my house?
Tapi sepertinya hubungan mereka kurang harmonis.
We'll give you a ride. Shut up! This ain't no Uber, man.
But I was getting a burrito for you.
You know what? You know what? It's a new day.
What face am I making?
Yeah, you killing that one.
Whoa.
Nice shit.
Dude, you can't go through Elf Town. I hate Elf Town.
Hey, Dr. Eddie Ward.
Saat di kantor, semua teman-teman Ward membenci Jacoby
So, Ward, what kind of partner is Jacoby? Is he your dance partner?
karena merupakan makhluk orc dan mereka tidak mempercayainya untuk menjadi polisi.
While that orc fuck is still out there because Jacoby chose clan blood over the bed.
All right, settle down. The captain. Get me out of this deployment period without another murder. 389, Jacoby and Ward.
Ward, no one wants to ride with you.
You out here drinking with the homies.
Saat berpatroli, mereka menerima perintah dari radio.
To be a cop since I was a little kid.
Mereka pun berangkat ke TKP untuk menangkap tersangka.
Fuck out of here.
Orang itu terlihat seperti gangguan jiwa, tapi dia berkata-kata seperti seorang peramal.
Man, I thought you were dead.
The army of 9 races fought shoulder to shoulder, and now the Dark One returns. Unless you want to die, you drop that sword right fucking now!
All right. Ow. Hola, persona. Sormen. Xenom sorhun vi panaha.
Saat kembali kantor polisi, Ward bertemu 2 orang petugas yang mengaku akan memenjarakan Jacoby karena bekerja sama dengan penjahat yang menembaknya.
Internal affairs.
Orcs hold clan law above all else, that's a fact.
And you're gonna record him.
Kemudian, agen federal sihir datang ke kantor polisi
With a badge. Incredible.
untuk menginterogasi orang yang mereka tangkap tadi.
What's that?
Hey, nice shield of light tattoo.
You might want to look at this.
What do you know about Inferni?
They're gonna bring back the Dark Lord.
You recognize her?
She's bright. The shield of light will stop you.
Di sisi lain, Ward dan Jacoby sedang berpatroli, lalu menerima laporan tentang sebuah insiden. Mereka pun berangkat ke TKP.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah. We got him.
Shouldn't we wait for the cavalry?
We are the cavalry. Don't touch anything. Yeah.
These people died so bad.
Kemudian mereka melihat sesuatu, sepertinya ada Bright dan penyihir jahat di lokasi itu. Ward pun meminta bantuan.
Abrams, possible Bright at our location.
Lalu mereka mengejar seorang wanita. Wanita tersebut merupakan Bright karena hanya Bright yang mampu memegang tongkat sihir atau magic wand.
It's a magic wand. She's speaking Elvish.
A Bright came in.
Teman-teman Ward pun datang, tapi mereka berencana jahat, ingin mengambil tongkat tersebut.
You want $1 million? Only a Bright can use a wand, and you don't look like a wizard to me.
Mereka menghasut Ward untuk membunuh Jacoby.
All right, you're not stealing that wand.
For them?
What about Jacoby?
Dengan alasan, Jacoby sengaja membebaskan orc yang menembaknya.
It's not happening. Calm down. Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up. Just Jacoby dies, and it is time to make a choice.
What? Where is everyone?
A plan.
2 cops died tonight.
Troubles.
You let the shooter go. I will fuck you up in a gunfight.
I just had the wrong guy.
Fucker that shot me.
This fucking smell.
That shot you. Got it. It's time.
Tiba-tiba Ward tersadar
Pollard, shit. What's going on? What?
dan akhirnya membuat keputusan yang tepat.
All right, calm down. You have to fucking kill me if you think you're gonna put me in handcuffs.
341 Abrams, Roger on the RN.
This is bad.
Setelah itu sekelompok gangster datang dan menginginkan tongkat sihir tersebut.
Oh shit, put her in the truck. Put her in the truck.
There's a lot of blood, Holmes.
This is an active crime scene.
The wand belongs to the people, to the barrio.
Nick, get in the truck.
Ward dan Jacoby pun kabur bersama Tika si Bright.
Get me that wand.
Hey, let's get the fuck out of here. Drive it like you stole it. We were doing so good. No, they do not. What the hell is she saying?
Tiba-tiba Tika merasakan sesuatu yang tidak beres. Dia pun berteriak, tapi Ward dan Jacoby tidak mengerti. Lalu mobil mereka menabrak sebuah dinding yang tidak terlihat. Ternyata Tika sedang dikejar oleh Layla, si pemimpin Inferni. Karena dianggap sebagai pengkhianat.
Dime qué pasó. Dime.
Saat beristirahat, mereka kembali diserang oleh sekelompok gangster lainnya.
Alright, what the fuck did we hit?
Oh, that was the wand. Owner, pulls it back.
Owner, the wand. And that's when the stupid shit's gonna start.
Oh, shit.
Akhirnya mereka berhasil lolos berkat kekuatan tongkat sihir.
Where did they all go?
Saat masuk ke dalam klub, mereka kembali diserang oleh para gangster.
Seven dudes with choppers down the right.
Officer Ward, put your fucking hat off.
Yeah, I got that effect on people poison.
Your sins forgiven, but you gotta give me that wand.
Let's get this motherfucker the wand. What?
Saat mereka sedang berunding, tiba-tiba Layla dan anak buahnya datang menyerang semua orang termasuk para polisi.
What she say? The devil is coming. Who is she?
Beruntung mereka berhasil lolos dari perkelahian itu dan beristirahat di suatu tempat.
I'm not a cop after tonight, am I? You understand everything is so definite. Trust you when you don't trust me.
Tidak lama kemudian, teman Ward datang dan menodongkan senjata kepadanya.
Rodriguez, what are you doing? Show me your fucking hands. Fuck up, boy. Right, listen, the guys drop the weapon. Tried to do us over a wand.
Lalu dia menghubungi agen federal sihir.
I got a deputy claiming to have the wand.
Mereka pun bernegosiasi dan membuat kesepakatan.
Hypothetically, a man like you could dead that noise, right?
Saat bersamaan, Layla menyadap percakapan mereka.
Take my gun. Fuck up and lawyer up.
Dan datang menyerang Ward dan kawan-kawan.
Get inside! Get inside! Go! Good girl. Okay, let me out. Let me out.
Namun mereka masih bisa lolos.
Look, I'm gonna cut you a break on the reckless driving.
Hingga akhirnya tertangkap oleh gangster orc yang lain. Gangster itu juga menginginkan tongkat sihir.
Look at me, motherfucker. Where's one?
Tapi mereka tidak mau menyerahkannya, sampai akhirnya mereka disiksa.
I think there's a wand! Where is the wand? You would have made a great orc. Word. That's the guy that I let go.
Jacoby pun tewas ditembak oleh pemimpin orc. Tetapi si Tika yang merupakan Bright dari kelompok elf berhasil menghidupkannya kembali. Lalu mereka bertiga pergi dari tempat itu.
Something happened. I feel great.
Fish pretty good now, too.
Now I trust you.
For some shit.
I saved your friend's life.
Oh, Tika, who are these elves who are hunting?
Dan Tika menceritakan semua hal yang akan terjadi jika Layla berhasil mendapatkan tongkat sihir itu.
The shield of light hit me. But the wand from her. From her? Keep the wand away from Layla.
Go, go!
Only the shield of light can help me.
Kemudian mereka membawa Tika kembali ke tempat awal bertemu.
Oh, there's a pool.
Karena di sana Tika dapat memulihkan diri.
The roots of a holy tree.
Akan tetapi Layla dan anak buahnya sudah menunggu mereka. Akhirnya mereka pun bertarung habis-habisan. Dan berhasil mengalahkan Layla dan anak buahnya.
Good work.
Put me in the water.
Mereka mengira Layla telah tewas juga. Saat Ward membawa Tika ke kolam penyembuh, Layla pun kembali menyerang.
The hell are you?
It's time to come home. This is you! What have you done to my sister?
Saat ini Layla akan membunuh Tika, tapi Jacoby berhasil menembak tongkatnya.
But shoot her in her head!
I'm out.
No!
Tiba-tiba, dengan penuh keyakinan, Ward mengambil tongkat itu
You're not a bright.
yang konon katanya hanya bisa dipegang oleh seorang Bright.
Horde. I wouldn't do that.
Ternyata dan ternyata.
This is impossible.
You're right. What?
Ward adalah seorang Bright pertama dari kaum manusia. Dan akhirnya berhasil mengalahkan Layla.
Tika!
Lord, Tika's okay. She's gone.
Ward!
We're safe now.
Ward!
Esok hari, Ward dan Jacoby diinterogasi oleh agen federal sihir.
No shit. Well, that can't be good.
Sir, we were just responding to a call.
Ward?
We responded to a 415 disturbance call. We immediately took fire.
Dan akhirnya, Ward dan Jacoby mendapat penghargaan atas keberanian mereka.
Mr. Jacoby.